Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you how to change my business names on QuickBooks Online. Let's dive right in. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open the Settings menu. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings under the Your Company section. In the Account and Settings menu, you will see your current business name along with other company details. Click on the Edit icon or pencil icon next to your business name. An editing section will appear where you can update your business name. Enter the new name you want for your business. Double-check to ensure the name is spelled correctly and is exactly how you want it to appear. Once you've entered the new business name, click on the Save button to apply the changes. QuickBooks will update your business name across all relevant sections of your account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tutorials. Thanks for watching.